Thank you, sir. Thank you all the panelists, and good afternoon to all the students, the candidates. So I will directly go to the online process, how this exam will be held. Okay, I will start sharing my presentation. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes,
visible.
Okay. First of all, we'll open our this browser. In this browser, we have to type Vision50. Vision50.org. Okay. This is the website for Vision50. So in this website, we have to click on this student login. Okay. In case of mobile phone, in case of mobile phone, it will show something different like this way. So in this case, you have to click on this three bar, and the drop down menu will appear, and here you can see student login. So in this student login, you have to click it, which will directly land you to the online examination page. For online examination, you have to log in and start the examination. So in this login, you have to put your mobile number and date of birth, which already you have given or provided in your registration form. So here I will use my mobile phone number. 7 and this date of birth in the format of year hyphen month hyphen date, like this way. 1992 and hyphen month is September, means 09. This 0 you must have to put this 0, otherwise it will not work. Then 21. Now click on login. Okay, here you can see this dashboard. Here the admit card which you already downloaded. For examination, you have to click on this 4 bar. Yeah, I can show you by zooming it. Once you click on it, it will show my examination at the left corner. Now click on my examination, and here you can see the list of examinations for which you have submitted your application form. So for example, I am an aspirant of VM3 JEE, or I am a aspirant of VM3 NEET. Whatever you have selected in the registration form, you have to select that examination and go to the action button, where this you can see this button, this arrow symbol, this will allow you to go to the examination page. In case of mobile phone, it might not be shown directly in the page. In that case, you have to scroll from left to right, like this way. From left to right. Okay, now I will select any examination. For example, VM2 JEE. I will click this arrow. This arrow I will click. Now you can see one page is loading, and most important thing is that if you refresh it, or if you minimize it, then your exam will be cancelled automatically within a very short period of time, maybe 2 or 3 seconds. So once this green color bar loaded fully, you have to click on next. Now you have to tick this check box. I am ready to begin and exam start. Click on this exam start. Okay. This is the main examination. You can see the timer has started. Time, this is actually mock test. So here we have set this for 10 minutes. Now you can see times are moving. 9 minutes, 45 seconds are remaining. And total 11 questions are there. Here you can see 11 questions are there. So first question is red mark and all are gray color. That means only question number 1 we have set but did not responded yet. For example, this question number 1, we left it without without selecting its answer. We can directly go to question number 2, 3 or 9, whatever you want. You can directly land to that question number. You just click on that question number 4, then question number 5, question number 6. In which question you task it will go to that question. But from question number 1, let's begin from this question number 1. For this question number 1, suppose I select option 1. Here you can see all questions are given here. Question number 1, for the Olympics and World Tournaments, the dimension of basketball are these are the options. So I select option number 2. Then I have 2 options, either mark for review and next, another one is save and next. Here you can see one is mark for review and next, another one is save and next. If we click on mark for review and next, then it will go to the question number 2. Here you can see question number 1 is now purple color at the top, or in case of laptop or computer it will be at the left side. So now you can see this is purple color. That means your questions have been reviewed but not selected, answers been selected. So you have to select your answer and then you have to click save next, like this way. Here you can see question number 2, I have selected the answer and clicked on save next. For example, question number 3, let me select one option and click on save next. Okay, the question number 3 color has become green, but in case of 1 it is still purple. Why? Because we have not confirmed the answer. So in this case you have to click 1 again, select the option and then save and next. You can see, but still it is purple colored because first, as we have selected the question number 1 earlier, so we have to clear our responses. Now responses are cleared. Now we will select again the option number 2. Option number 2, and then save and next. Now you can see question number 1 is green color. Like this way, we have to select all the questions. So let us go to question number 4. Okay, I will select this all randomly so that I can move forward. Now question number 5, you just select your option and click on save next. You can mark this for review if you found any kind of difficulties. So you can mark it for review. If you click on mark for review, then it will color purple again, as you can see in question number 6. So okay. In some mathematical formula or mathematical questions, some questions might appear like this way. You can see this question is clearly shown like the options are not showing properly. That means in the left or right side the questions are there, and in the top bottom side it is also there. So you have to move from left to right to see the full answer, sorry, full question, and from top to bottom to see all the options available for this question. Suppose I want to select option number 4, but directly in the screen option number 4 is not available. So I have to scroll from top to bottom so that I can go to option number 4 and I will click it. And then I will click save and next. Okay. Now we can see this question has been, option has been selected. Okay. This question number 11. Okay. All the questions are selected, but you can see question number 6 is still purple because we have marked this one for review. So I will click, or I will directly touch on option number 6. Then I will select, then I will do clear responses, then any option which is correct, and then save and next. Now this option number 6 is green color. Okay, as all the questions has become green, that means I have answered all the questions. Now I am ready to submit my examination. So in this submit button, I will directly click submit and finish. Yeah, thank you for giving the examination. That means your exam has been submitted successfully.